So welcome everyone to our Q&A. This simply means that you are very excited and very much willing to learn how you are going to qualify to get all of our resources na nabanggit natin kanina to help you with my business. So stay tuned up to the end of this Q&A para magawa mo malaman how you will be one of us, and we are so happy to welcome you in our community. So let's begin with this Q&A session. And I can't wait to guide you right now. So, sino yung gusto matuto at gustong ma-mentor while having all of my top-end contents ng libre? Comment me below. Kanina pa ako nag-mimi coach. I'm super excited. I can't expect na free pala yan. Stay tuned up to the end of the video because I have more surprises waiting for you. Okay. Yes, coach. Very much willing to stay. I learned a lot. I can't believe na sobra ko palang daming matututunan dito. Thank you so much, really. Okay, so paano, kung hindi ako techie, no? Ito yung tanong ng iba sa inyo. Wala akong idea paano gamitin yung mga tools mo, system mo. Remember, I will be your coach inside this program and I will guide you how to use the system to achieve your work-life goals as well. Here's a testimony from my student, Jun Lee. He's a dad and OFW from Qatar, I think. I'm not sure. Pero nagawa niya matapos yung course namin related to building his own brand, Pinoy Dad OFW. Now he is monetizing a follower of 5,000 plus like-minded people on his channel. Next is my friend and student Amy. She's a painter again, yung kanina, from Amelitas Art Gallery. From hindi alam kahit simple copy-paste sa computer, launching her first ebook, How to Choose the Right Painting for Yourself, Guide to Turning Her Offline Painting Gallery to Online Store. She wrote the draft of the book in just 2 days using time blocking strategy. Jelmine is a mother of 2 kids again and is a boss mom. She's one of my students who is always willing to learn and quickly implement everything that she's learning from our lesson. And I believe na kung kaya niya mag-build ng business as a mom, then more para sa inyo ng mga single, di ba? Mga proud single. Okay? You can do it as well, no? You know the power of productivity and life-work balance as a solo entrepreneur now, so you can surely follow the path. Now, dahil nagstay ka up to the last bits of this video, here's your reward. Introducing the Solopreneur Business and Lifestyle Management Board, kung saan hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong work-lifestyle balance system. It's already done for you. Ipa-personalize mo na lang. You will save a lot of time and effort. I personally created this and you are having my expertise for free. Nandito na lahat, almost everything like tools, sites, tutorials, materials, step-by-step guide na gagamitin mo to become a productive content creator and solopreneur. Hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng coach and designer to help you 7 years of learning. You can save at least 5,000 to 15,000 peso by simply having this system. So, I want to tell you the reason why I created this, guys, so that you can appreciate this even if it's free, no? Kasi nung newbie ako, it wasn't easy to have the motivation at magkaroon ng well-laid out system to help me track my achievements and my goals, getting things done and track my progress. Una, hindi naman ito tinuturo ng mga upline noon. Different contents online are also confusing and overwhelming. I also suffered of anxiety and depression just like what I told you because I didn't know where to begin. Kalat-kalat yung mga ideas ko sa notes, sa hard drive, sa phone, sa laptop. So why not create a system, organize it, create examples, insert tutorials, and tools para mapadali yung business ninyo. Tama ba? And now, I'm sharing you the blessing to you as my students so you can save a lot of sakit ng ulo, frustration, and perspiration. It was hard to find time to do what I truly wanted to do while growing my business. So, ang ginawa ko during the pandemic, I had to comprise everything and I knew one day I'm going to hand it to my daily students as well. So why this offer is different? Because I use this as my personal productivity system, guys, in building my business Pinay Boss Academy. Doing this took me a lot of time, effort, money, testing, experience, and love. These are proven strategies that will help you have more momentum with your business every day. It will guide you how to start and create that work-life balance goal. Because I love what I do and I believe the result it gave me over the years. I know how it feels like na nandyan sa situation mo ngayon. You want to breakthrough pero hindi mo alam kung paano sisimula. So I created this Because I realize kung kinailangan ko ito, kakailanganin din ito ng mga students ko. Alam ko yung hirap na mag-aral but going nowhere. Tama ba? You implement tasks pero parang palaging may kulang, no? Get confused because you have no examples to follow. I created a solution first for myself and now it's yours. Now you see hope because finally may solusyon na pala no sa problema mo na wala kang business planner and system to organize your tasks. But one reason na posibleng hindi ka magsimula really is because you are not ready to start to change your life. Well, kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Kapag huli na ang lahat, maybe isa na naman sa mga excuse ng karamihan is busy ka sa ngayon at wala kang time. Well, if you stay up to the end of this video, bibigyan kita ng free copy ng ebook called Mission Accomplished that in less than one day, you will have clarity and proven steps how to bring your business back to life and start your solopreneur journey once more. Remember, the reason why we need to get things done now ay dahil willing tayo mag-sacrifice now so we can do what other people can't because ngayon pa lang, we are willing to pay the price that most people are not willing to do. Stay up to the end of this presentation to learn how to get this ebook right after the presentation. Mission Accomplished Workbook will help you create your own marketing system for your business and you can have immediate access to it if you stay up to the end of this video. Now, obviously, hindi kita i-charge ng 5,000 because this is going to be free, right? Pero tanungin kita, if all this system can do is magkaroon ka ng productivity and consistency sa business mo, at least makapag-create ka ng 10 contents a day and get 100 new leads in one day, at 10% lang nun ang bumili sa offer mo, wouldn't it be worth it? I had two options nung iniisip ko yung price for this offer. Pwede ko siyang gawing cheapest tool available in the market, let's say 990 pesos, para mabilis ang pasok ng sales para sa akin. Pero, hindi nyo ako makakasama as a hands-on coach and I want to support you for long term. Or, I could price it to where it requires a little more investment like 15,000 but in exchange, I can devote more of my time, my resources, and I can guarantee you success. Ikaw, magkano sa tingin mo ang worth nito para sa'yo? How much would you pay if you can get 10 clients in 10 days? So now, malamang marami sa inyo is willing na to pay 5,000 pesos but again, this is going to be free. So what else do you need? Yes, I got you! The next thing na kakailanganin mo is the Creators Productivity Vault. This is the list of tools and free apps na nabanggit ko kanina and some tutorials and softwares like AI tools and resources, daily planner, goal tracker, etc. na kakailanganin mo to create contents and market your offer to ace your productivity. Hindi sapat na may system ka lang kasi kailangan mo ng sandata, right? Yung huhugutin mo na lang yung weapon or armas kapag kailangan mo para handa ka sa digmaan. Mahirap kasi to hold all informations in your head. Again, our mind is for generating ideas, not for holding them. Ganon din yung mga tools mo. Because as a solo entrepreneur, your productivity tools, lalo na if you start marketing and sell online, are acting like your employees. Malaki ang contribution nila, guys, sa production and outcome ng business mo. Lalo na kung mag-isa mong ginagawa ang negosyo mo. Here you'll get to know many kinds of free apps, ebooks, tips, and tutorials, lalo na yung mga AI software na makakatulong sa iyo to clone yourself to get more things done for you. Remember, these materials are being sold by so many influencers online. Again, this is going to be free. So, bakit ko inipon itong mga ninja, mga sandata na to na kung ano-ano, no, in one system? Kasi alam ko yung pakiramdam na hindi mo alam kung anong tools, app, or software yung pwede mo palang gamitin ng libre muna. No, syempre, karamihan sa inyo hindi pa kumikita, right guys? Naiintindihan ko kayo. Nagsisimula pa lang kayo. I was like you before. Maraming marketers online yung benta ng benta, promote ng kung ano-ano sa tutorials nila and you end up wasting so much time and money. May free options naman pala. Mas maganda pa. Or let's say yung mga templates ko to help you track your growth. Many influencers promote apps and tools na sobrang mahal gaya ng mga funnels para lang kumita sila agad. So I am your best friend when it comes to finding your alternative resources and options na ginagamit ko mismo sa Pinay Boss Academy na nandito na. So along the way, inipon ko yung mga tools na yon. I organize it so that you as my student will benefit as well. You just sit back, relax, and enjoy the privilege. Tama ba? Mahigit pa sa 15,000 na masisave mo if you get my creator's productivity vault. But again, I will not charge you that because again, you are going to get this for free. Remember, video editing software pa lang ngayon like Camtasia already costs 15,000. By having this, you can save a lot of money na pwede mo pang magamit sa ibang aspect ng business mo. Who wants to get this for free? Kanina, ang dami na umuusok yung chat. I'm not expecting this to be free, coach. Grabe talaga. Alright, so I cannot focus on your comments, guys, kasi kailangan nating i-push yung time, ano? But I am so fired up and pumped up. So keep on commenting down below and stay up to the end of the video kung gusto mo pa na maraming bonuses and free na makukuha mo dito. So, this is my full pledge 7 years of life work, balanced journey on how to stay productive and consistent with building my dream business online, which is Productivity Masterclass and Lifestyle Bold. This is a course, guys. You will dive deeper, kung paano mo maiintindihan yung fullest potential to get things done in the name of your dreams, plus all the health and well-being tips to stay productive as the CEO of your business. Total value nito is 5,000. Pero makukuha mo rin ito ng libre. So, sino sa inyo yung nagkaroon ng pag-asa now na mas madali na lang pala sa inyo na maging productive, maging visible and consistent online, mag-monetize, maging content creator, attract new eyeballs, get more leads, and close more sales sa offer and business nyo ngayon. Higit sa lahat, magkakaroon ka ng productive solopreneur lifestyle. Yun yung gusto ko para sa inyo, guys. It's not just the discipline, the tactic, etc. blah, blah, blah. Gusto ko sa inyo, ma-experience nyo talaga yung solopreneur lifestyle. That this is going to be part of your lifestyle. From habit, from learning, magiging lifestyle nyo na siya. With this 3-in-1 productivity system, magagawa mo na magkaroon ng personal business system, productivity vault, which is what most solopreneurs use, to stay in the game. But again, these are all going to be free if you stay tuned up to the end of this presentation. So, mawawala na yung sakit ng ulo at problema mo gaya nito na hindi mo alam kung paano gumawa ng productivity business system mo, hindi ka talaga organized na tao kagaya ko, wala kang pambili ng tools, app, and software to create contents, hindi ka techie, stuck up and overwhelmed ka, wala kang paghuhugutan ng inspiration at example in regards to content creation, wala kang sales na na-generate kasi clueless ka, no idea about content creation and produce sales and on a day-to-day basis, at mag-isa mo dinidibdib lahat-lahat, pwede ka naman pala maki-joyride. Tama ba? Kasi yung mga reason na yan, guys, yung mga eklat na mga kung ano dahilan na yan, guys, ilang libong student ko na ang narinig ko na ganyan na mga pinagsasabi, no? So remember, sa affiliate marketing business ko pa lang nun, there are over 2,000 plus. Tapos sa Ninja Pro, there are over 870 plus, 873 to be exact. Okay? So, ang dami kong naririnig na pare-pareho sila talaga ng kinakantang lyrics. No? Ay, coach, kasi ganyan. Ngayon, may solusyon na. Lahat ng yan masosolve na because I place myself in your shoes para maintindihan ko kayo, guys, because nanggaling din ako doon. It's just that it took me some time because it's difficult to be the implementer and the coach as well and to be the student of my own journey as well. It wasn't easy. Pero I believe that through this na ginawa natin, lahat ng yan masosolve na by having these 3 products na kasama ng course bundle ng Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle. Kasi let's say, na maging consistent ka lang sa 15 days, you will be organized, systematized, productive, consistent with your content, visible ka na lagi online, may momentum ka, may na-generate kang leads, nakakapag-monetize ka on your social media accounts, kahit mga star lang sa social media yan, and get more sales. In short, you are a productive and successful solopreneur. You make more money and make more time for yourself and your family, at yun yung pangarap ko para sa ating lahat. Para sa inyong lahat. Higit sa lahat, you will welcome your brand new self. Sino yung excited dun, guys? No? This is not just about financial topics. This is not just about results, success, blah, blah, blah. Ang gusto ko para sa inyo is for you to become a better version of yourself. Because I believe in you. You can do this. Kung nakaya ko siya, kaya mo rin yan. No? You just need to have a helping hand. So, sino yung gusto na ma-experience na bukas yung mga bagay na yan? Who wants to wake up tomorrow to see a brand new self of you in the mirror? Okay? That's what I want for you. So imagine the feeling, no, nakamtan mo na lahat ng iyon kapag na-incorporate mo na sa business mo itong Done For You Solopreneur Business and Lifestyle Management Board, Creators Productivity Vault, and then Content Creator Weekly Ideas, Productivity Masterclass, Lifestyle Vault. Ano kaya yung mababago sa current situation ng buhay mo ngayon? Sige nga, let's hear from Laila Maymay. Patricio Kalumpit. Taga Bulacan ka ba? Jessie Carl, sarap naman gumising everyday coach na may new inquiries, no? Pwedeng may sales ka on your dashboard right away, coach. Oo, no, yung feeling na alam mo kapag productive kayo, guys, money follows, no? You just need to get things done muna, no? And then, magugulat ka na lang money follows after that, no? Nagmamonetize ka na. Iti-treat mo ba yung family mo kasi you feel productive and successful this week or this month? Yes, coach, manlilibre ng buong family sa Jollibee. Anong feeling kapag nakaalis ka na sa stressful and unproductive week, ano? Yung feeling na yung feeling na palagi na lang hindi mo alam ang gagawin at wala kang result to someone na you're on top of your game, you control your time, right? Yung 24 hours mo, kontrolado mo na. Pwede ka nang makipagsabayan, right? Ito yung message niya, instant coach na ako nun, coach. Hahaha. Oo nga, no? Kasi nakopya mo na yung system ko. So in short, gaganahan na kayong ma-hit yung ultimate goal ninyo, no, this year. Comment nga kayo if you see a light at the end of the tunnel below. Share me kung ano yung goal na gusto mo ma-achieve using this system, no, sa career mo, for example, no, sa business mo ngayon. Mag-comment kayo ng plano nyo down below. I'm so excited. I'm going to read everything, lahat kayo na umattend ng webinar. Sabi ni Rachel, gusto ko na finally, coach, ma-build ang dream business ko step by step. Alright, guys. That's good, sis. I'm glad na nakakita ka ng pag-asa. Sarap isipin ng solopreneur lifestyle coach. Yung travel ka na lang talaga habang productive ka sa business mo. Oh my God. I'm so happy, guys, na na-feel ninyo, no, na nag-gets ninyo yung webinar natin today. It took me a lot of time actually to build this webinar together, especially the product itself. But to hear those comments coming from you, it warms my heart, no? It feels so good. And I hope you can feel my passion and my energy to actually guide and help you guys. Sabi ni Bro Henry Bro Henry Lo. Exactly, bro. So, bro ba o sis? Henry Lu? Yes, that's why I can run my business from home while traveling around the world. Then, coach. Okay, pero sobrang dami ko pong natutunan sa inyo. Mind-blowing po talaga. Thank you so much, bro, Henry, no? Kasi talagang this thing is, there are things na medyo advanced, may mga bagay na medyo beginners, pero I'm really glad that someone like you who's a pro already and learning how to achieve a good kind of lifestyle, may result ka na rin sa business mo. You said you're traveling the world as well, pero you have found some golden nuggets with this lesson. Okay? So I believe that you will literally save almost 7 years of your time. Sa oras na naigugol mo, sa oras na igugugol mo, kung gagawin mo mag-isa ito, you'd also save at least 15,000 to 25,000 sa lahat ng tools and materials na ibibigay ko sa iyo for free. Masisave din natin yung oras na nasasayang kakapanood mo ng tutorial sa YouTube. We will go direct to the point, which are the money-making activities. Karamihan doon, tinuturo lang sa YouTube yung mga app and tools kasi may commission sila doon, right? Whereas inside Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle, may ituturo pa ako sa iyo ng mga tools na pwede mong gamitin ng libre habang nagsisimula ka pa lang. Imagine how much time and money yung masisave mo. Study shows that an average online marketer spends 15,000 to 50,000 a month sa mga software and tools na ginagamit nila, plus 50,000 to 200,000 sa ad spend. Whereas kung content creator and solopreneur ka, matututo kang makakuha muna ng leads and audiences from your followers and organic traffic ng libre lang muna. Okay, so let's recap. You have the Done For You business system, the tools, resources, apps, and you have the content creation weekly ideas. So ano pa yung kailangan nyo, guys? Let me know sa comment section sa baba and maybe we can add it as well as free if kaya ng powers ko. Yay! Grabe, umiinit yung chat box natin sa live webinar natin. Now, this With all of these three main offer, what we have for sure is darating sa point na may tanong ka, tama? You need to understand some steps or gusto mo din na mag-share ng small wins and big victories mo, no? With our community. Iyayabang mo yung mga, yung mga achievements mo, yung mga big accomplishments mo dyan, di ba? Sarap sa feeling nun. So, ano siya, positive energy yun, guys. I want you guys to be like brothers and sisters sa community natin kasi we are here to help and support each other, right? I am maybe your coach, but I always believe and listen to my students whenever they have brilliant ideas, when they're telling me and sharing me something as well. So we created our private community sa loob ng Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle kung saan meron kang access to me as your coach and to your community. You will get motivated as your fellow classmates share their productivity and results, implementing this program in their business and in their life. We will create a community that shares their lifestyle. Yun yung masarap dito, guys. This is not just about, inisip ko to na hindi lang to business poweran, ganito, magkano kinita mo. I hate that, no? I am not proud of money and everything, whatever. Proud ako sa personality, the person you become, for me personally, at saka sa mga students ko, how their mindsets are really growing and how it becomes part of their lifestyle. Yun pa lang panalo ka na doon, no? The brand new you, the person you become, the better version of yourself, no? This bonus is priceless dahil gusto naming makatulong sa iyo during the journey. Inside, will encourage you from time to time about my productive routine, behind the scene activities, my plans, strategies, and goals for you to get motivated, as well as you copy and model my daily productivity hacks and routine. Ay, alam mo yun, i-share ko sa inyo ano yung ginagawa ko, paano ko siya, let's say, ano yung mga, actually, meron din tayong lifestyle vault, di ba? Yoga, meditation, etc. Sobrang exciting talaga. Fitness, no, sa loob ng vault. And then, i-share ko sa inyo anong ginagawa ko. So, para tayo nagkwekwentuhan. Alam niyo yun, we uplift each other's mood. So, kung merong nalulubat, no, we tell them, oh, I did this and this. This is my healthy meal for today. Yung mga ganon. We will share our journey together. I will also give you an exclusive members-only lesson, coaching and mastermind inside our private group. So ito ulit, the reason why I created this is para maging simple at madali at enjoyable para sa mga newbie solopreneurs yung learning and experience nila. Because I want you guys to enjoy, have fun, do the task straight to the point nang hindi ka feeling stressed and anxious, because I know you got us. Again, I have been there, kaya ramdam kita at alam ko yung kailangan mo. So, what else do you need? Kailangan kong makamake sure na lahat ng kailangan ninyo is maibigay natin dito sa program na to. Kasi mamaya babasahin ko rin yung mga comment nyo. Some content ideas for YouTube coach. Sabi ni Mario Dacanay. Sure. Yes, actually, I forgot to mention a lot of bonuses for sure na napakarami kasi, no, sa ng mga resources inside na hindi ko na alam na nandun pala. There are a lot of giveaways, that I cannot mention here, guys, kasi tatagal tayo. We have laid out content creation idea, organizer inside as well for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube marketings. Also, may 1 week content creation idea inside the productivity vault. So, let me just mention what I remember here. Dahil hindi lang yung 3 major things na yan ang gusto kong ibigay sa inyo na libre. Dahil you stay tuned at the end of this video, gusto ko din na ibigay sa iyo lahat-lahat ng bonuses na ito na makukuha mo inside Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle. So, bonus number 1 is Branding and Style Guide. Natutulong sa iyo how to organize your branding kit for easy access when personalizing your content as you incorporate your brand with your business. Next is bonus number 2, my 500,000 social media launch template. Natutulong sa iyo how to be professional looking sa mga marketing and templates to sell your offer without the need of hiring a designer. Para kahit ikaw na mismo, kahit hindi ka masyadong productive or creative, this template will do the selling for you. The faster you create marketing campaigns for your business and offer, the faster you become productive, getting more sales. Next is bonus number 3, the done-for-you YouTube thumbnails and templates that will give you an idea about titles and design na ipe-personalize mo na lang. Bonus number 4 is YouTube description copy-paste example para maipakita ko sa iyo how I organize my copy-paste template gaya ng YouTube description na pinakita ko sa iyo kanina so that you can easily access, plus makikita mo din yung important mentions para hindi ka mag-violate, as well as opportunity to earn more by doing affiliate marketing by getting the idea of what product you can market that are related sa iyong contents. Bonus number 5, the copy-paste ninja reply. The moment na nagsisimula ka na mag-market, you will get a lot of inquiries. Tama? Napakahalaga na matutunan mo how to manage your traffic. And inside, I have a full tutorial kung paano mo yan gagawin sa Messenger at sa Facebook page mo. Bonus number 6 is how to create your branded video editing template. So, hindi ka na palaging gagawa from scratch. You'd also learn how to incorporate your brand color, fonts, etc. sa videos mo. Bonus number 7, learn the AI tools I used to create saleable copy. So, I understand kasi na karamihan sa atin nag-struggle to write a good script or copy, writing how to sell our offer. Lalo na sa social media, Kaya, hindi ko na ituturo sa iyo what are the AI tools kagaya kanina that I use. Matututunan mo din what are the prompts and the commands to get the best copy script for your ads, email, blogs, etc. Remember that the faster you get help from AI tools, the more outcome you create. Bonus number 8, you will get my customer relationship and sales management software na libre lang sa internet. I believe that as business owners, kailangan mo magkaroon ng CRM para matrack mo at magkaroon ka ng record ng mga prospects and current customers mo. This software is free and this can help you manage your clients and your sales in the convenience of your Gmail account. So every time nakaka-receive ka ng email, pwede ka na mag-create ng mga tinatawag kong copy-paste, quick auto-reply sa kanila, lalo na kung pare-pareho naman sila ng tinatanong. Kasi na-experience ko yan. So, ito na yung template na isasend ko, hanapin ko lang, click, lahat yun magsasend na sa kanila. Okay? Since pare-pareho naman sila ng tinatanong, Coach, paano mag-enroll? Coach, paano magbayad? Coach, paano po ba? So, okay, ito yung link. Okay, enroll here. Para mga ganon, diba? So, for you, if you have an offer, pwede mo na isend sa kanila. Matic na yun, naka-templated na yung reply mo, tapos nandun na yung link ng offer mo. So, we're going to teach you that. Bonus number 9 is copy-paste ninja email reply. Actually, ito pala yun. That will help you to save already made ready message sa lahat ng mga mag-i-email at mag-i-inquire sa'yo, na matatanggap mo. I will give you a tutorial how to do it para magawa mo makapag-save ng time with closing your leads as you build relationship with them, which leads to more sales. Bonus number 10, a tutorial how to manage your traffic and growth tools. I'll personally share with you kung paano ko minamanage ang social media traffic ko. I prepared videos and tutorial for you so you can maximize the numbers of your followers that are potentials to convert as customers para hindi baliwala ang effort mo with content marketing. O diba, connect-connecta sila? So bonus number 11, I'd give you a free copy of my top 22 attention-grabbing headlines. Guys, this is the core of social selling. Yung how you're going to do prospecting muna, social marketing on the internet, just by picking the low-hanging fruit bago ka mag-ads, So, 22 attention-grabbing headlines are the exact proven questions, na pwede mo itanong sa prospect mo that you meet online in order for you to build relationship with them and for them to be hooked, and for them to engage and convert to you as you lead them through these questions, okay? So, these are my highly converting headline examples that I kept for 7 years at pwede mo din itong pagkunan ng content ideas, blogs, or blog to post on your site. Bonus number 12. Okay, you will learn my prospecting questions. This is the core of social selling. Okay, so top 22 attention-grabbing headlines that are proven to get, so ito pala guys, bonus 11 pala to, that are proven to get attention online is the top 21 pala, attention-grabbing headlines that are proven to get attention online lalo na pagdating sa pagraran ng ads. Alright, bonus number 13, buhay ka pa? Premium music that will help you to stay focused. Marami namang free music on YouTube guys, but I guess, it will keep you from being distracted, So this site will help you stay focused while listening to their music. Lagi ako naka-tune in dito. And sticky note, sticky focus game reminder. Bonus number 14. This is a template that you can print, na pwede mong idikit sa workplace mo. This will remind you every day to be productive and stay focused. Okay, 16 is the done for you. IGTV template so that you can copy or model viral style of content creators kapag gumagawa sila ng mga reels. Bonus 16 is discover my productivity app na nakaka-excite gamitin at sobrang cute na mga characters sa loob, and it motivates you to stay productive as you use the app. So you feel proud of yourself and have fun while hitting your goals. And so much more, guys, na hindi na natin mababanggit dito that we will add as free bonuses as we learn together. So padagdag siya ng padagdag. Actually, why not? We share the blessing with you guys. So, why it's so easy, no? Because literally you're getting my own personal daily solopreneur resources na ginagamit ko with my own business here in Pinay Boss Academy. So ikaw, sa tingin mo, mas abot kamay na ba na ma-achieve ang mga goals mo ngayon, lalo na kung kasama itong mga bonuses na to? Who agrees with that? Kanina pa nga, coach. Kanina pa nga ako wow ng wow. Sabi ni Ali Krista Jane. Okay? Comment, I want it all down below. Sige nga, sino yung magsasabi, I want it all down below? Sino bang ayaw, no? How I wish I had this. Oh, alam mo yon, I would be really like in tears kung merong someone na magbibigay sa akin ito ng libre. Right? So, sino gustong makuha lahat ng yan ng free? So, I want it all. So, I want it all, sabi ni Julie. Okay, sis. I want it all, sabi ni Kabasas. La Arnie. Okay, Jude. Hey, Jude. Don't make it bad. Si Jude, sabi, parang SM lang, coach. We got it all for you. Iniisip ko pa. Wow. Thank you, bro. Iniisip ko pa yung pwede kong ihirit actually as a bonus. Nashock ako doon. Akala ko naman, ihirit pa. Ang dami pa palang gustong ihirit. Joke lang, coach. Okay, after this live, yes, thank you so much, bro, for that nice comment. All right, I believe that after this, life will never be slow. Because you are on your way, to productivity. Yes, coach, because I am on my way to productivity, Coach P. Wow, thank you so much. All right, let's recap. Ito lahat na makukuha mo, Solopreneur Business Lifestyle Management Board, 5,000 ang value, Creators Productivity Vault, 15,000 value, Productivity Masterclass, it's a course, guys, full course, and the Lifestyle Vault, and 1 week content ideas, value of 5,000 pesos. Okay, plus all the 16 bonuses that you will get inside na nabanggit ko kanina. And syempre, again, a private community inside Facebook, na ma-access mo, tutulong sa'yo to guide and inspire you. You will see me behind my shoulder from time to time, na marami akong behind the scenes of how I stay productive with my business, create my contents, and do my productivity hacks, and even I will do some live trainings as well, how I run my work-life balance, mag-yoga tayo doon, share our healthy snacks as solopreneur, share our lifestyle. It's really fun, Sobrang exciting ito kasi we will share our work-life balance journey as we build our dreams together. Tama ba? Okay ba sa inyo yon, guys? We're going to have a community. Every time we're building something like our offer, malalaman din namin yung mga offer nyo. So that means, I want to build this network of solopreneurs, that find home together para lang tayo nasa Pinoy Big Brother. I want to support you kasi gusto ko na may mag-push at mag-motivate sa inyo as you take this journey. Gusto kong hawakan yung kamay mo to make sure that you will get there, that you will finish this program strong and successful. So, this is priceless, di ba? Normally, having a direct access to a coach is expensive. Sige nga, sino sa inyo yung bumili ng course kay Grant Cardone, sa kay Russell Branson, sa kay Tony Robbins ng nakapagtanong ka ng personal kung paano i-set up yung ganito-ganyan? Meron ba? Sige nga, nakausap nyo, nakachat nyo, kahit man lang chat? Tapos nag-reply? Wala, di ba? Personally, I have been a student of all these big names in the industry. Halos karamihan ng courses nila, binili ko. Tapos, ayun, hindi ko naman din sila nakakausap. As you see, I was in a group, hands-on coaching with Tony Robbins. Actually, magkapit-bahay lang kami dito sa Fiji Islands. And if you will search Namale Resort and Spa, tapos ako naman, nasa VT Levo ako. Magkatabi lang yung isla namin ni Tony Robbins. Pero kahit gano'n, hindi pa rin kami close. So, halos lahat ng courses niya, actually guys, nabili ko, pagdating sa mindset, everything, pati yung project next na pagkamahal-mahal, everything you learn from me are based on my experience and journey along the way. You will literally spend at least a minimum of 50,000 pesos ngayon to hire a coach like me, only for 1 to 3 sessions, Mga 3 hours siguro yun na mastermind. Kumpara mo yan sa lifetime na magkakasama tayo sa isang Facebook group community, no? As you see, I was able to afford Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi for a group coaching, pero I paid a lot of money. In this program, you will get access to me for free. Why? Because you are my mission. Gusto ko na maging part ng success story mo, pero obviously, hindi kita i-charge ng ganong halaga. Literally, mas mapapadali at mas mapapabilis mong mapagkukunan ng result ang lesson dito sa Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle. Matatapos ka na feeling fulfilled and successful. I was asked by my mentor before, no? Sabi niya sa akin, Princess, anong gusto mo? Pay 100,000 and learn how to get your first 1 million, or don't pay 100,000 and never have a chance to earn your first 1 million. So naisip ko naman, I am so glad, no, I jump in. Tanda ko noon nung una kong inutang sa boyfriend ko yung 50,000 na pang-enroll ko ng platinum level ng first expensive course na binili ko ng online course ko back in 2017 sa isang local course dyan sa Pilipinas, affiliate marketing. Yung iba, diniskarte ko yon, no, guys. Ginawan ko lang ng paraan. After 4 weeks, I was already earning like 38,000 to 100,000 per day, no? Kasi nga high ticket closer ako. Isa ako sa mga coach na nagko-close sa likod, no? So 100k yung course, tapos we earn a commission of 38,000 per commission. So ganun yung sistema. So we can close like 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, depende, no, per day. So kaya lang during that time medyo napagod talaga ako nun kasi ang daming mga student, no? They expect you to 'di ba? So kasi syempre yung laki ng price, 'di ba? You have to weigh also the the expectation of people. So in less than 6 months, na-hit ko yung first 1M ko online by doing different things actually. Ang pinakamasarap, my boyfriend was so happy sa income ko. Kaya minomotivate ko ibang girls na ang sarap guys kapag girls, solo moms out there, home boss mommies, napakasarap talaga kapag meron din tayong sariling income natin, may sarili tayong hugot kasi ang sarap sa feeling na tayo naman din minsan yung bibili ng grocery, tapos mamamalengke, tayo naman din yung magtitreat sa kanila, i-date natin yung mga partner natin, tapos ang saya sa kinikilig din pala sila, di ba? Ang sarap sa feeling ng ganun. So, no, the hard and expensive way is to do it yourself, learn it yourself, no system, no tools, no content ideas, examples, no coach, no community. You stay where you are now, bahala ka mag-isa sa buhay mo, malaki ka na, kung saan-saan ka na naman magsasuot dyan, lilipas na naman ng isang taon, nanganga ka na naman. So sorry to say, I realized that the hard way actually is like that, no? Money is speed, no? It can buy you time and rebuy money. Yan ang totoo. It can buy you how to be productive as well. Or join the community of the Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle, create a 2190 habit challenge featuring higher self-tuning, the answer to your natutulog at stagnant na unproductive day, not making results mojo ng karamihan. We will talk about mindset, focus, actions, and results. Finally, it's your time to shine. It's your time to go out there and iparinig mo sa madlang people your message at ang offer mo. It's your time to shine and reap the sales and the result that you deserve. So, here's my proof and case study with my old product offer in 2020. Now, let me show you my own personal result from doing this. Okay lang ba guys? Bago kayo mag-commit, is that ipapakita ko muna sa inyo how qualified I am to coach you. Again, so that you are rest assured that your time is worth spending with me. Okay lang ba? Okay. So this is my ad result, with 5,700 plus comment, with 712,000 views, with just one ad set for less than 2,000 pesos. So, video engagement siya, no? So, nakakuha ko ng 5,600 engagement with 0 angry emoji. Mahalaga yun. I think they're very happy. And then, 464,000 3 seconds views with retainment of 75% watch time. Okay, which are my own personal result from doing the productivity tools and system that I use in my business. Okay, so for an ad spending of less than 60,000 peso, I was able to sign up 187 plus people in 4 weeks, promoting 2,990 product offer. That is 559,130 peso gross sales. So, gusto nyo ba yon? Gusto nyo matutunan kung paano i-implement yon? The same strategy for your business. Okay, so productivity hacks really works, right? If lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin nitong offer na to is maging productive ka at magkaroon ka ng discipline sa oras mo at sa buhay mo every single day, week and month, worth it ba? If ang lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin nitong offer na to is magkaroon ka ng proven system na makakatulong sa'yo, na mapadali ang sistema ng negosyo mo, naka-organize na karamihan ng mga examples at steps kung saan susundan mo na lang, worth it ba na alamin mo kung paano? If ang lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin nitong offer na to is magkaroon ka ng idea how to create captions and contents na proven and designed to sell online, worth it pa ba? If ang lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin nitong offer na to is to have a community of like-minded people na mag-cheer sa'yo, no, to keep you motivated to be productive and create momentum with your business and get result gaya ng consistent sales online, sobrang worth it ba? If ang lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin itong offer na ito, tama na coach, worth it talaga. Oo na. Okay, magkaroon ka ng coach na aagapay sa'yo na sobrang cute at bait, ano? As your friend and mentor, sa sandaling kailangan mo ako at makulimlim ang mga landas na tinatahak mo. At pakiramdam mo, kailangan mo ng paracetamol kasi hindi mo magets. Ang sakit sa ulo, di ba? Just chat me, no? 24 hours or up to 48 hours minsan, ha? Kasi I'll be there, no? Kasi minsan, no? Ang dami nyo, eh. So, nandun tayo sa group community and during the live event like this, ano, I'm going to read your comments. Hahaha daw. Yes na yes, sabi ni Ray Galera. I'm all in, coach, ano? Tama ba, Galera? Whatever, potato. Okay, yes na yes, coach. Sabi niya, wala pa akong nakikitang offer na ganyan online. Hahaha. Yes, ano, syempre, ano, sariling system ko to eh. 'Di ba? Jessica Pempem. Pempem talaga. Yan ba talaga pangalan mo? Okay, coach, sana hindi mahal. I'm in. Okay, we'll get there. So, you said yes, right? I like it. Okay, comment below. Why not? 'Di ba? Why not? 'Di ba? If ang lahat-lahat ng kayang gawin nito is yung mga result na 'yan, no? Super talaga. Like it talaga, coach. Grabe, lahat na yata 'yan kailangan ko sa business ko. Parang naiisip mo talaga yung naiisip ko, coach. Sabi ni Alexandra Leklek. And ano yan? Nickname mo ba yan? Again, yung mga pangalan nyo. Pempem, Leklek. So, meron ka lang dalawang pagpipilian, ano, Jessica Pempem, sa tanong mo kanina. Okay, first option is dedmahin mo itong offer na to kasi feeling mo mahal. Pero hindi naman pala, no? Kasi hindi ka nagstay until the end of the video. Yun eh, di ba? Kasi lahat ng reward, wala yan sa una. Nasa huli yan, right? Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. May bonuses pat discount. O, di ba? Option number 2, you will stay up to the end of this video and you will say yes. And the next 21 days after this program, life will never be the same. One of the best 3 weeks mo ever in terms of improving your business and your life. So, ano mababago sa buhay mo kapag part ka na ng productive solopreneur lifestyle? Now, let's say, ma-hit mo yung first 1M mo, no? Not in couple of weeks and days, not in 21 days. What I'm telling, maybe, just maybe, no? In the next 12 months, no? Maybe it's possible for you by following what you learned in this lesson for the next 21 days. Let's say finally nagkaroon ka ng discipline, no? Personal time management, at mas confident at kontrolado mo na ngayon ang buhay mo, no? Yung day-to-day life mo dyan, no? Paano kung mas nagkaroon ka ng time, extra time, para hindi ka lang puro business and gana, nagkaroon ka ng time na makipag-date, o diba? Mas panalo yun. Hindi ka na parang lagi kang losyang dyan na feeling mo wala kang oras palagi, di ba? Sa mga bagay-bagay na talagang gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Yung may passion ka, for example, sa singing, sa painting, passion to travel, food, no? Makakapag-allocate ka na ng time sa mga bagay na yon na matagal mo nang gustong gawin. What change will it bring into your life, no? Sobrang sarap sa feeling nun. Or simply get more time to spend with your husband, with your wife, with your kids, no? What will change kung sakaling kahit mapalitan lang yung monthly salary mo ng resulta na makukuha mo sa business by learning with us? What if you get the dream lifestyle, no? Yun yung goal natin dito, guys. Dream lifestyle with a work-life balance na matagal mo nang gustong ma-experience. Worth it ba? Oo naman 'no, sobrang worth it 'no. Normally para pagdaanan mo yung 7 years of trial and error ko to organize and prepare this thing, you will have to spend more than the amount of time, money, and effort na ginugol ko for the last couple of years. Sa mga libro, coaches, ay naku guys, mentor, travel, nagbabayad ka na, mag-aaral ka pa. 'Di ba yung mga gano'ng feeling, 'di ba? Tama na, 'di ba? Yung ang dami mong aaralin. Dito 'no, shortcut na. Every time you are hiring a coach 'no, yung expertise kasi nila yung binabayaran mo rin talaga do'n. Pero di mo na dapat pag-aralan or pagdaanan 'yan guys 'no. Call me crazy and most of my fellow coaches might think na I lost my mind to give my personal business resources for free, 'di ba? But I simply want to help you guys have your breakthrough this year. Kasi I literally spent a lot of money for my business noon, no? Hindi siya cost para sa akin, kundi investment. Kasi walang kapantay na saya yung makita mo na hindi ka lang may time freedom sa oras at kahit papaano you have financial growth sa business mo as a solopreneur. Yung makita mo yung sarili mo that you are productive and disciplined sa limited time na meron tayo dito on earth, na may time ka for much more important things in life, freedom to do what you truly want to do. For me, ang pinaka-proud ako na reward na nakukuha ko ngayon ay yung pagbabago ng buhay ko, yung pag-develop ng character and yung pagiging better version of myself. And I want the same thing for my students. Pero again, hindi kita i-charge ng ganyan. Okay? This is going to be free. In fact, hindi din kita i-charge ng kahit kalahati nito to learn the shortcut of those who are making it happen productively. Kung tutuusin, everyone will jump to get mentored for 21 days, ha? For 15,000, right? Yes, coach. Ano? Yes, coach. Kung may access ako ng 21 days sa'yo, sulit na ang 15. Wow naman, ang sweet naman. Sulit na ang 15K, sabi ni Gemma. Hello from Japan, coach. I've been following your work for the last 4 years, coach. Sobrang na-inspire talaga ako po sa inyo. Salamat, Sis Gemma. Thank you so much. Yes, I always read your messages and it really warms my heart. Thank you so much, Sis. Alright, I believe that this is the fair price for everyone to get started. So, ano sa tingin mo, no? Who is happy, to get all the free materials mentioned before, and all you have to do is to test me. Okay, test me for 21 days of mentoring you to stay productive and have a work-life balance so you can live your dream lifestyle as a solo entrepreneur. No? So comment down below, guys. Are you pumped up? Are you excited? 5,990, okay? So, you see, kahit sa halagang 5,990 pesos, that you will just help me break even sa lahat ng time, energy, and effort, trial and error na ginawa ko in the past couple of years para maituro sa ito. Kaya lang, deep within my heart, I want to help as many as I can. Tama ba? Kakatapos lang ng mga paghihirap at natin, lalo na nung nakaraang pandemic, right? I feel you guys. I really sympathize with you. So, I want to help as many as I can. At ayaw kong maging hadlang yung pera para makapagsimula ka. Kasi I see myself in you. Kaya stay tuned up to the end of this video dahil nagstay ka until the end, I have more surprises for you. I hope na excited ka dyan, no? Because you deserve to be productive and you are part of our mission to help many stuck and aspiring entrepreneur to break through and be successful habang kasama mo pa yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, dapat maging successful ka na. My mission is ipaabot itong program na ito sa'yo to as many solo entrepreneurs and content creators like you, as many as possible, dahil gusto ko maging successful din kayo, dahil since mawala ang papa ko, I have learned the value of time, na hindi sa lahat ng oras pera ang tinitingnan. I want you to reach your dreams and goals in life, habang andyan pa yung mga dahilan kung bakit gusto mo magtagumpay. Yung mga magulang natin, tumatanda. Hindi mo forever kasama ang mga kapatid mo. One day you will barely see each other. You'll never know hanggang kailan kayo sa earth, right? Kaya naman, I'm willing to sacrifice my time and effort, even my brand, guys, to commit myself for 21 days to mentor you, to make sure that you will incorporate the habit in your system for as low as... Drum roll, please! Sobrang excited na sila, pero ang dami nang umuo sa 5,990, ah. Tatanggapin ko na yan. Kukunin ko na yan. Sa mga tools, coach, I'm after about, yes, no? Para malaman mo yung mga tools, di ba? You'll never know what you never know. For example, kahit mag-search ka sa YouTube pero kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung hindi mo alam, you'd still never get there. Pero yung malaman mo yung mga hacks and tools ng mga coaches, no, that's gold, right, guys? So, I hope na na-appreciate nyo yan. May umuo na sa 15K kanina, si Sis Gemma. Ang dami na umuo sa 5,990. I-close ko na yan. Alright, guys. I love you so much. No, we're doing this para sa inyong lahat. So, alam nyo yon, for me to sacrifice 21 days of mine without marketing, I will stop everything kasi mag-aaral tayo for 21 days. That's valuable time for me, no? But to me, I'm not looking at the price. I'm looking at how many people or solo entrepreneurs I will change lives. Kaya yung magkaroon kayo ng lifestyle. I want you to be with your loved ones. And again, the goal of this course is para magkaroon na talaga kayo finally, no, ng time to break through, and at the same time, magawa talaga yung mga bagay that you love to do. Okay? So, the price is, yes, it maybe took us so long, but your time here spent is worth it because hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng 5,990 pesos because the real price of this course, guys, is only 990 pesos. So, tumagal tayo, but oh my God, coach, kung yan lang talaga yung price, sabi ni Leklek. Ang tagal pa. Sana kanina pa ako nagbayad, coach. But today only we have to give back and help some people here. At dahil umattend ka at tinapos mo ang video nito, we are giving the first, 30 people only, an additional 5,000 peso discount, okay, for only 990 pesos. So you can have the access to all the systems, tools, content ideas, softwares, and our private community. All you have to do is to join me in this challenge called 2190 Habit Challenge, okay? Create your productive solopreneur lifestyle featuring higher self-tuning, where I will coach you for 21 days of habit and work-life balance, mentoring sa loob ng private Facebook close group natin. Doon mo siya ma-access, kung saan pwede ka magtanong, mag-share ng experience mo at mag-motivate ng mga kasamahan mo na nag-i-implement din ng learning nila. But this is the warning, guys, no? We have a special cookie ngayon, no, na natatrack at sa iyong website, na nakakapag-track ng iyong Google Chrome or whatever na ginagamit mo ngayon na napanood mo na ang presentation na ito today hanggang sa dulo ng video. So, natatrack na namin ngayon to, no? Meaning, if you leave this offer today, hindi mo na ito mababalikan pa and you are not qualified for the 5,000 discount. Gets ba? Alam namin yung mga emails na nag-register, no? So, yan ay dahil hindi ko din kayang mag-mentor ng sandamakmak na tao, no? For only 990 pesos. Kaya, this is limited time only for the first 30 people once our timer begins later. Okay? We need to be fair with everyone. Our next batch of attendees have to pay the full price of enrollment fee of 5,990 peso para makabawi din kami, of course, because that's really the regular price. And the next time you come around, this is not available anymore, no? This is available only again while the time is ticking below for the first 30 people again who will dare to test me. Yes, I challenge you to test me and see for yourself kung paano kita matutulungan in the next 21 days. So, ang binabayaran mo talaga dito is the 2190 Habit Challenge. Kasi doon kita i-guide, doon kita i-mentor. Lahat na nabanggit kanina is all for free, only for those 31st people, and qualified din kayo for only 990 pesos. Sa lahat-lahat na makukuha mo sa productive solopreneur lifestyle. I know I sound too cheap, but again, my mission is to help you out of being stuck because I was you 7 years ago. This is the course that how I wish someone created for me back when I was starting, no? So we will start the time now, to welcome the first 30 people who will jump in for the productive solopreneur lifestyle with 2190 Habit Challenge featuring again higher self-tuning. Matututunan niyo sa loob yan. Grabe guys, it's so mind-blowing and powerful, no? The moment na tapos na ang offer at presentation na ito and you come back again, the discount is no longer available. Later, we will announce the first 30 who are qualified and lock in themselves for only 990 peso. Live mentorship with me. We want to be fair, okay, for everyone na nagstayed up to the end of this video to learn how to submit your enrollment fees. Strictly, again guys, for first 30 students until the countdown timer hits 0. Wow, yay! Send me the link code, sabi ni Pempe Mary from Alberta, Canada. Wow, I can see your location here, sis. Anong gamit mo ngayon na Naka-e-cam ako. Yes. Okay, sis. Later. Hello po, coach. Saan po mag-e-enroll? Yes, our assistant, si Bro Angelo, yung brother ko, will assist you, sis. And this offer, guys, is only this month. Once we close, we don't know when we will put this back again. When will this be available again? But for sure, not in the same price that you see today. Okay? So, bago kayo ma-excite, let me be transparent, Here, kasi after enrolling, ito yung mga next step na gagawin natin. Siyempre, lahat sa inyo, for sure, gusto malaman kung anong mangyayari. I will personally contact and hand you over my system. Okay? Kasi, personal sa akin to, Hindi basta-basta to pwedeng i-hand, so protected siya. I need to make sure na private ito at ikaw lang at ako ang admin. So you see, I work so hard for this at kailangan kong makasiguro that this is safe in the right hand of the person only. So second, you will have the access to our course productivity masterclass and the life bold content creation, everything na banggit ko kanina. And the membership site, of course, to study at your own pace. Kasi iba sa inyo, pwedeng umattend ng live, pwedeng hindi. Lastly, you will have an access to our Facebook group community at dito ko kayo iti-train for 21 days challenge. We will have live coaching from time to time, Q&A, how to use the business lifestyle management board, etc. So may ilan sa inyo na excited kung ano daw ang nasa loob ng Productivity Masterclass. So those are the things. Screenshot nyo na lang, guys. But what I'm telling you here is that everything that I mentioned are for free. Productivity Masterclass is for free. But you are actually just paying for me, again, for testing me for 21 days of coaching you. You will go deep dive with me for another 21 days to learning higher self-tuning. And together, we will build a fun, engaging, productive, solopreneur lifestyle for 21 days. So, let's get started. That for only 990 pesos, you may click the button below to apply for this program or scan this code. This is no-brainer. You are our mission, and in you, I found my purpose. Para sa akin, it's not the money. It's how much people we will help and inspire. Yun ang mahalaga sa amin. Dito sa Pinay Boss Academy, we are driven by our mission in memory of my dad. To have the heart, to serve more, and give more value, more than just money. This is truly time-sensitive at hindi namin alam kung hanggang kailan namin kaya ibigay ng ganyan kababa yung lesson na to. Dahil ang oras namin is limited at pag hindi kinaya ng oras namin to teach everyone, we will increase the price back to 5,990 peso without prior notice. So I hope you understand that, guys. And if you come back to us begging for us for the discount, I'm sorry, we can't do such thing because we have rule. Okay? And our system is also limited to 100 live coaching. So while the time is ticking, you are qualified to enroll now for 990 peso only. For our beta group students only. Again, beta group ito. I always test my lessons first to a limited numbers of people before we can sell at higher price. And I also need your testimony. That is why I challenge you to test me. So if you are ready now, simply scan the QR code to enroll. Or again, click the pink button below of this website to send your proof of payment and fill up the student enrollment form. Or open your Google tab and then type mo yung link sa kanan, https://bit.ly/21day productive lifestyle. Alright, we are now officially open for the first 30 to qualify for 990 peso enrollment fee. At habang naghihintay tayo sa mga nag-enroll before we completely close our offer today, let me just reason to you bakit sobrang mura naman, Coach. Don't judge the value of it by its price. In my experience, I enrolled abroad for one-on-one coaching with famous influencer paying thousands of dollars pero hindi ko nakausap ng personal yung content creator, right? Again, we did it because we simply want na marami matulungan ng course na ito. Hanggat kaya pa naming i-handle ang dami ng student, but once we're full, we need to increase the price again to 5,990 peso. At para sa lahat na nag-enroll straight away to this 21 challenge, ay makakatanggap din kayo ng free ebook that I mentioned kanina, which is Mission Accomplished, na makakatulong sa iyo to build your business marketing plan. Kung alam mong para sa ito, and then open up the browser now, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or click the button down below, fill up the form, and cross fingers that you are in. For the big discount later, we will announce the students who are in the challenge. Angelo is managing the list now, and he will mention the names later. Alright? Time is up na ba? Naka 30 na ba tayo? Thank you to those who trusted me to be your coach and guide for the next 30 days. Now, some of you siguro nagtatanong, if in case within 21 days feeling mo, it didn't change your life a bit, or wala kang natutunan, or kahit katitingnan na bago sa buhay mo, just send me a message at support@pinaybosacademy.org, and without any question, hindi na kita pahihirapan pa. I am not like other people out there, who only care about the money. I care about you. My students' results are my purpose for building my business. Your success is my success. Kaya for me, it's just the money. I always choose friends over money. So rest assured that me as your coach and my brother here as my teammate will support you along this challenge. You have full 21 days to test me and learn with us in a fun way. So literally, walang mawawala sa'yo. Nothing but to gain so much value and learning. So remember, hindi na hadlang ang price sa'yo ngayon. Either you ignore it now, then bumalik ka mamaya or bukas, and then the price is already back to regular price. Or take a leap of faith now and start. I challenge you to test me and I will walk you by hand at ituturo ko sa iyo lahat ng pinakita ko sa iyo sa webinar na to. Remember that the price is only for the first 30 students. If you know me as your coach, hindi ako mahilig mambola ng mga offer ko. When I say it's close, it's close. Remember Ninja Pro program? My first 500 plus students, they enrolled for only 1,990 pesos. Pwede nyo silang tanungin. Some of them are watching now. Pero yung mahigit 300 plus sa kanila had to pay 5,990 pesos. That's 3 times. And guess what? Over 100 people paid the regular price of 15,000 peso. And that is insane. That's more than 8 times the lowest price that I offered. Pero willing pa rin silang mag-enroll. Why? Because in the end of the day, I believe that my time is valuable. If maraming students ang may kailangan na lesson na to, we really have to increase our price to give quality attention. So take advantage now while you are still in our beta group and we are still gathering testimonies and results from our students. Remember, your actions today will determine your future. So here's the hard way. Yung mga upline at yung mga person na nag-invite sa atin or inspired us to start a business, to coach and teach us how to do our business. Tama? We always bother our upline. We always ask our guru, mentor. Ang totoo, people are busy. And syempre, for sure, hindi lahat ng oras your upline coach, boss, or whatever, or even your nanay can guide you what to do para maging self-accomplished ka. Tama ba? Heck, even God won't wake you up today to say, hey, bangon na, 6:00 na, be productive. Kung hindi ka pa tamaan ng kidlat dyan. Right? Hard way was magpo-post ka ng content sa Facebook tapos hindi mo naman alam kung ano isusulat mo na inline sa marketing goal mo. Hard way was to say motivated ka kahit hindi ka naman motivated. Hard way was to plan the way na hindi mo naman alam kasi nga hindi mo nga alam. Hard way was to start strategizing and organizing your marketing campaigns, contents, and system, but you fail again kasi hindi mo nga alam. Lahat yan hindi mo alam. Ang hirap talaga nun, di ba? Kung hindi mo alam, ay yung hindi mo alam. And you know what? Inalam ko siya kasi walang ibang paraan kundi alamin mo yung hindi mo alam. Tama ba? Who agrees with that? Example, to be productive and manage my time. I spent reading a lot of books and spent lots of money buying courses, ebooks, and coaches all at the same time. I bought courses, mind travels, mentorships, and events around the world in the last 7 years. Those time I spent consuming contents online, walang katumbas na halaga yon. So the hard way is pagdaanan mo yon, that you'll have to spend 7 years to catch up. Ang totoong tanong lang naman dito is, handa ka na bang may magbago sa buhay mo? Sa momento mo, sa game plan mo, are you ready to be productive? Sabi nga ng isa sa mga mentor ko before, Princess, maraming tao ang gusto ng 1 milyon. Pangarap nila yan. Ang tanong, ikaw ba? Kaya ng psychological wallet mo na maghawak ng 1 milyon? Una, hindi ko magets nun. Ito, back when I was 23 years old. Pero nang in-explain niya sa akin na ang pera parang tubig daw. Kung ang container mo is kasing liit lang ng baso, hanggang 1 baso lang ang pwede mong ilagay na tubig doon. Masasayang lang yung iba pag pinilit mong isalin. Parang tayo, we want success and big things in life, pero karamihan hindi pa ready yung sarili nila to contain the amount na gusto nilang marating sa buhay. Since then, nilakihan ko yung psychological container ko. Yung sarili ko, I never stop learning. Now, in 1 year, I have traveled in 20 different countries. I've been to Europe and Oceania countries while building my business at the same time. Yes, you can live your dream life while being productive and do something big kung alam alam mo kung paano i-manage ang oras mo. This is what our students in our community says. Finally, may makakasama ka ng community to share your small wins, big wins in your life, and business achievements. Our community is also the best way to network and grow your business as well. Dito ka rin magkakaroon ng accountability partner with the same mindset. You will maybe meet your future teammate who is maybe interested with your brand. In our community, we allow healthy collaboration and teamwork. We learn as a team. Kahit ako ang guide at coach mo for this group, I personally let my students share what they know and allow myself to learn from them as well. Most of all, you have a direct access to me as your coach at hindi ka mag-iisa. As global community kaya no matter where you are in the world, we can learn and grow together. Welcome to the 21-Day Habit Challenge, and I can't wait to see your beautiful faces inside the community. But first, let us check now kung sino-sino yung mga nag-take leap of faith to join us, because in the next 30 minutes, we are going to close our offer. So let's recap for the sake of the late na mga comers kanina. You are going to get my Solopreneurs Business and Lifestyle Management Board, value of 5,000, Content Creation Vault, value of 15,000, Done For You captions and content ideas, value for 5,000 peso, private Facebook community, and the Productive Masterclass natin for free. And all the bonuses na makukuha mo, ebooks, manuals, tutorials, tools, guides, value at least 5,990 peso. Lastly, a private community plus access to me as your coach. That is priceless, you guys. So, eto ulit lahat ng mga bonuses, alright? Na hindi na natin kailangan banggitin pa because we mentioned them earlier. Everything you get for free except my time. I challenge you to test me for the next 21 days, but you are my mission, and in you, I see myself. God gave me this wisdom and unique lessons because I know this is my purpose in life and I want you to be finally successful. I can't wait for you to see, feel, and smell success in your life and in business even on our first day of the challenge. Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle 21-Day Habit Challenge featuring the higher self-tuning. But starting in the next 30 minutes, you guys still have a chance to get in before we are going to close this offer. We are going to start the Q&A and the timer begins now. The moment it hits 0, our software will mark your attendance and your site using a cookie, meaning even if i-email mo pa kami for the discount, we cannot accept you in the challenge once the challenge begins. Remember, you are back with our 21 days guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Now you have 30 minutes, you guys, to avail this heavily discounted price only today. Time starts now. We have Angelo to confirm the first 30 people later. We will mention later the name. Yes, Andrea Balmores, you are in. Yeng Leandro from Bulacan. Senior Pedro Mandawe. Senior Pedro is, yes, you are in. Alright, see you guys. Yes, you are in. See you in the challenge. Let's wait sa mga papasok pa na batch dito. Yes, Pem, you're qualified. Isa ka sa unang nakain. Right, Angel? Okay, let's answer your question out there muna. Mag-check muna ako ng mga questions you guys. What will happen kung pang 31 ako, coach? Pero napadala ko na po ang payment. Kanina pa po. We are still counting. We are still counting, guys. But literally, guys, you are qualified, guys, as long as the countdown timer is still ticking. Kaya kung pasok ka pa, bago mo matapos ang timer at ang webinar ng Q&A na to, you are qualified. So, don't worry. Later, we will mark your email and your site na naka-attend ka na. So, if you miss your chance today at bumalik ka to pay after this webinar, then the highly discounted price is no longer available. Once na magsimula na rin yung ating 21-day challenge for this month, we will increase the price also to 5,990 because that is the regular price. And we will also start running ads na din kasi. Coach, paano ko po maa-access lahat ng free system tools, materials, and freebies? We will send you all the access via email once na-confirm na namin yung payment mo for the next 24 to 48 hours. Except sa system, I need to personally contact you to add you as an admin para makapag-create ako ng personalized access mo sa system. Okay? Sa system ko, no? Pwede mo na ding i-model. We still have remaining time. Okay, Angel? Angel will check kung sino-sino yung mga nakakapag-enroll after attending the webinar at pasok pa sa offer. So we still have 27 minutes. We have another question, no? Pagkatapos ko pong makuha lahat ng materials, ano pong meron sa 21 day? Good question, Leandro Bautista, no? From Maragondon. Yes, I love this software. It's really telling me I think your profile, ano, sa page. Mangyayari each day. Yes po, coach, yung mangyayari each day. Okay, I think first lesson natin we will dissect the contents inside the system na ibibigay ko sa inyo. I will give you a guide kung paano siya gagamitin at paano mo siya i-model para sa business mo para magkaroon ka ng example and reference how to have your own system and organized marketing plan gamit yung mismong system na nasa marketing plan ko na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Then pangalawa, I am going to give you the access to first day ng ating day 1 para sa 2190 day habit challenge. Okay? So, I am going to start to teach you how to build the habit within 21 days. And then you're just, after the training, you're just going to repeat that para maging part siya ng lifestyle mo in the next 22 to 90 days to come. Kaya mag-enjoy talaga kayo guys kasi we're talking about lifestyle here. Okay? So, for the next 3 weeks, each day, may ipopost ako sa ating day 1 to day 21 challenge. Then, you can model that. Okay? You can follow and then ipopost ninyo yung mga activities ninyo sa ating Facebook group community. Also, ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga tools that I use to batch content, my marketing campaign. So, marami akong behind the scenes. From time to time, pinopost ko siya kasi parang private community siya na kayo lang yung sinesendan ko ng mga ganong klaseng content. Alright? So, mangyayari rito, I think we are aiming for 12 p.m. Philippine time so that yung mga nasa work can watch me live inside our private community habang nagbe-break time sila kahit may work sila. Now, the next question, Anya Sikwat. Sikwat? Okay, from Maribeles. Ako coach, minsan mahina po sa signal sa hapon. May recording po ba? Yes, of course. No, after the challenge, each day magkakaroon din tayo ng private. Lahat kayo na magkakaroon kayo ng private access sa isang membership dashboard kung saan ma-access ninyo yung replay. At saka yung access sa productivity masterclass. Okay? Saka dun sa lifestyle vault. Alright, we are hitting our last chance, to avail this amazing offer, guys. I hope that I have served my purpose to teach you all today. Inabot tayo ng pagkatagal-tagal na live. Salamat, guys, for sharing your precious time to learn with me. I'm looking forward to be part of your entrepreneurial journey, and your success. I'm always here to support you and cheer you. So yes, alam nyo yan, right? Thank you for your trust and I can't wait to start the training with you all. Again, thank you so much for joining us and I hope marami kayong matutunan. Woo! Ang dami pang question. What if hindi ako techie at hindi ako alam gamitin yung mga personal tools mo, Coach Princess? Good question, We have provided tutorials, Link to your organizer. And personally, ituturo ko yan within the private community. 21 days yan, guys. Ang haba ng oras natin doon, I am going to teach you how to use those. Actually, inside the bonuses, bawat tools na yon may nakahanda ng tutorial yon. Done na lahat. I-click mo na lang yung link, papanoorin mo na lang yung video, yung tutorial, paano gawin. I already prepared everything there. Okay? So, you can recap that, the replay, papanoorin mo na lang siya during your free time. Pero pagdating ng 21-day challenge habit natin, live yon, So, pwede kang umattend, pwede kang umattend ng live, pwedeng hindi, panoorin mo na lang yung replay sa loob ng community natin, but all of the materials na binanggit ko, all of the courses and tools, done na, tapos na. So, you just watch it maybe after the 21 days challenge, panoorin mo na lang on your free time. Basta yung 21 days, we will go live with that. That's what you're paying for. So, I'm handling you everything that I mentioned earlier, for free, at recorded na lahat yon. Tapos na yon. Done materials na yon. Okay? So, malinaw ba? I personally attach my captions, content ideas, links to the tools, step by step na dapat mong gawin per day. Yes, yun yung mga activities na gagawin natin. Wow, exciting! Ang dami ko pa rin pala mga bonus courses na maa-access after tapos na ang 21 days. Yes, exactly. Tama yun. In my experience, as a newbie, Everything was like a puzzle talaga. And as your coach, my job is buuin yung puzzle na yon at ibigay sa'yo ng buo. So you can see the full picture, no? Ang gagawin mo na lang is to implement and i-implement yung system na ito, na yung productivity hacks and the secrets na tinuro ko sa Secret 1 sa lahat ng mga maa-access mo na course. So yes, you will get my daily, weekly, and full month organizer, sis. Access sa lahat ng tools, yes. Materials din, coach. Yes, yes. Yes, ang binabayaran mo lang yung 21-day habit challenge. Solopreneur Lifestyle 21-day habit challenge featuring higher self. Lahat ng materials ma-access mo. Wow, grabe. Grabe, coach. 990 lang. I have never seen a lesson po na kagaya nito. Ito yung kailangan ko. Okay, yes, I know you do. Yes. So, guys, humaba na tayo, we would still answer your mga questions, no? Parang SM lang talaga, coach. Ang kulit mo, no? Yes! Tama, sis. Pasensya na po, coach. I can't believe it. Nakapag-generate po talaga ako ng result kapag ganyan. Yes, bro. I hope so, no? If you stick, no, with 21-day habit, no, we need to make sure that you will incorporate the habit. How to do your lifestyle, work-life balance, no? Anong mga ipopost mo for today, mga ganon. And from the bottom of our hearts, me and my brother would like to say thank you so much, for choosing to learn with us today here in Pinay Boss Academy. So, bye for now. We will contact you guys. Okay. Yes, ang dami pang mga questions, guys. Okay lang ba? Extend pa natin since you still have 20 minutes. Ang haba na talaga ng live natin. Okay. Bea Lacson, Rupestan. Ito na yung mga latest, Bea Lacson, Rupestan, Maymay de la Peña, you are in. Yes, Carla Abellana. Ang daming artista dito, Kanina pa. So, okay. Carla, no. Alejandro, you are in. Yes. Sis Maria Regina Alfonso, yes, you are in. We are closing the offer now, guys. And see you on our first day of the challenge, yes, you still have the link. This link will be available for the next 30 minutes. We have the timer, but I think we already answered most of the questions. And I'm worried about those people na mapuno na tayo, no? And we still have the timer. Ilan pa, Jel? 9? May siyam pa. 4 pa. 4 na lang. Okay. Sis Leklek, yes, you're in. Kanina ko pa na-mention. We are closing the offer now, guys, and I don't think we need to wait for another 19 minutes. I think we answered most of the question na. So see you on the first day of our challenge. Now, the announcement of the start of the challenge this month will be sent via your email. Okay? Yes, within this month. I'm super excited as well, of course. Alright, thank you so much, guys. I don't want to waste so much of your time. Babalikan namin yung mga questions nyo below. But those link na meron kayong access now will be available for the next 17 minutes. Okay? So hurry up. Again, that is http://bit.ly. Screenshot nyo na lang and I will see you inside the challenge. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for attending. I hope na answer namin lahat ng question. Please drop down below most of your comment pa. We will answer that later. Okay? We will make sure that you're attended. Okay, last 4. Wala na. Last 4, meron pa, habol pa, guys. Okay? The link is still available for the next 18 minutes only. Okay? So, don't worry, makaka-catch up pa kayo. We love you so much, guys. Again, we need to close down this. Okay, ang dami pa mga questions talaga, but humaba na yung webinar natin. I'll see you again inside the challenge day 1. I'm super excited for the lesson. Sobrang exciting yung lesson. So, bye for now. I love you all, guys. Bye. See you inside.